You put your cape on backwards. Come here, Lulu. Bye. You put it on backwards. What's going on here? Here, let's put it on right. There, now we put it on right. There you go. Oh, such a pretty girl. There you go. Now you got your cape on. You are so strange. This bag doesn't work so well for a cape, does it? It doesn't fit over your little butt. You want it off? Can I take it off? There, is that what you want? Or you want it back on? You want it back on?